just wanted to let you guys know I'm just doing some videos here for my YouTube channel, and I just noticed that I accidentally deleted kind of a crucial video. The first video that I did when I'm working on these those stainless rocker moldings. So there's a portion of this missing now. So hopefully you guys can make sense of what's happening. So the very first part of this video the first video of a series of videos that I've done to put all this together is actually, I accidentally went through my phone here and deleted a bunch of stuff real fast, and I accidentally deleted that video that I shouldn't have, and now I couldn't recover it. So anyway, so I had to start with the second part of the video. So just so you guys know, so that things kind of make sense, or you're wondering why did it start where it starts, that's kind of the reason. So again, I screwed up again with this social media stuff here, but anyways, so I'm just going to post this too with it, and hopefully you guys can figure out what the hell is going on here. All right, so take it easy on me, I'm not the best here. All righty, tighty guys, I got this end fixed up nice here. Check it out. Check it out. So this is done. This is all orbital here nicely. See what I mean? So all you see is the orbital marks now. And I got to do the whole thing because it's kind of sandblasted. So I got to be able to get that stuff out of there. And then I got to start coming down in grid. This is actually the worst part now. And then after that, it gets easier. So there it is. I'm going to probably just, let me think here. I'll probably just do something, do another little video here when I'm done this stage and on to the next. Well, alrighty now, we got this molding done to 600. Here's the area I was fixing here when I was doing the video before. See how nice it is? Can't even tell where it was welded. So that's kind of nice. I thought maybe it'd be a different color, but turned out good. So yeah, that used up a lot of sandpaper. I'm not going to worry about down here. I'm just going to clean that. I'll polish it a bit, but I'm not worried about making it perfect. This is the part that you see here, so it will suffice. So I might have to take it to 8. I'll know tomorrow. I'm going to try and polish a little bit when I get here tomorrow. And see, I think I'm going to have to go to 800 though. Maybe I'll just do that and then it's done. But I think I had about enough of this molding for one day. So yeah, so one is coming to an end here pretty soon. That's nice. And then the other one's not quite as bad. It's got a kink in one spot. So I got to fix probably about a foot of kinkness and waviness and all that kind of stuff. But the rest, well, I mean, I don't know until I start, but that's what it looks like. Yikes! So far, but don't really know until I get into it. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to leave it at that for today, and then I'll come back tomorrow and show you what it looks like. All right. After I'm done polishing. All right, guys, I'm back here in the morning. Got this all set up here for polishing. Got a piece of wood here. It's just got to be nice and secure because you don't want to catch an edge and everything is kind of destroyed. So I'm going to start here. I've got my compound there. I've got my pad set up over here. Probably should have maybe a yellow one, but I'm going to go with that for now and see what it does. It's a little bit wobbly for some reason. Why? Okay, as you can see, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. just to give you a bit of a taste here. So far you see how much I've gone over it. Stupid light. So you can see a little bit of swirls still. Can you guys see? For Pete's sakes, I tell you. There. So this is just the first cut here. It's not gonna look super shiny. I'm just trying to get the scratches out, and then we can worry about getting the shine back into it. Oh, I was looking at the wrong part, for Pete's sakes. Hello! So let's see here. You can see some there, and there's some in the corner here yet. Oh, see right there. So you can see how long it takes, but once I get going here, I'll really, it'll, you got to get a rhythm going, and then it starts moving a little quicker. I'm going to leave it at that for now, and I'll come back here when I'm done the first round and see what you guys think, eh? All right. So I did switch to the yellow pad because it is quicker. Like, it doesn't leave a real shine or anything like that right now, but it's definitely taking the orbital scratches out of it. And I'm coming to the end of my wood here, so I need more wood. What you think? That pad definitely leaves marks too, but that'll be easy to get out after. But the scratches are all gone here. Yeah, I'm up to about here now. See, I gotta come back over. But that's, I gotta move this. Gotta move the wood. I think I'll do a little bit on the other end, and then I'm gonna reposition. Come on, baby cakes. Got 2 feet left on this end. Needs more. Alrighty guys, I'm coming to the end of this molding. So just a little recap of what I did here. I did start with the yellow, with the ivory or the black compound, whatever you want to call it. Then I went to this purple pad, also with the black compound. The black is usually for like hard materials, stainless steel and stuff like that. And then I went with the purple and I went with the brown right here. A little bit finer. And now I'm going with this light, kind of a green compound, just to get rid of some of the scratches from the pad with this one here. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. So I'm kind of just about done here, man. Just about done. Makes a big difference. And it's still not 100%. It's not going to be 100%. By the time I'm done here, probably like 90. I mean, you gotta, you know, kind of know when to stop here according to what we're doing with the project. So, but this looks fantastic. And I'm just gonna keep on going here. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, baby cake. She's starting to look pretty shiny now. Looking pretty good. Like brand new. I'm gonna do another, just about, do one more pass through. All right, I'll show you guys what this looks like here. Yeah. Again, there we go. See, this is where I welded here. There's a little dimple here on the edge here, but I can't, there's a lip going around the corner here, and it's okay. It's kind of a soft thing here. Like I say, there's certain things that, you know. See? So that's kind of pretty much it. And there's still in places, a couple areas, little bit of still some stone like blast. There's only so much time a guy can spend here, so I think I'm going to call that good here, what you see here. And then I'll be back here. I'll show you guys the overall when I'm done here. All right. Okay. Alrighty, guys. I am pretty much done with this rocker molding polishing business. Oh, there's evidence right there. See? Anyways, other than that, it looks pretty damn good. You can still see the little swirlies from wiping and wiping and wiping, but once I get this on the car and when the car is ready to leave, I'll give it a final metal polishing by hand, and that'll clean that up. But it's all done. Thank God that's done. That didn't take long. But it looks really good. Pretty happy with that. It's not 100% like I say, but it's probably about 90%. You can still see some of the rock pitting and like right in here a little bit. But it's really, I mean, look, the camera is pretty close right now, so it's going to probably show up worse than what it looks like, obviously. But it looks quite good. It looks quite nice. So there it is, guys. I don't know if you guys learned anything. I know I learned something after doing this. I should have stayed in school. All right, that's it for this, man. I'm going to go and work on something else here for a while. We've still got some day left, so I'm going to do some more stuff. Hey, guys, if there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.